Welcome to Recorder Academy Drills. In this video, you will learn to play the note A. It is important to note that A is located on the second space of the staff. To play the note A, simply place fingers 1 and 2 from your left hand on the first two holes on the front of your recorder, and your left thumb will be used to cover the back hole of the recorder. You do not need to use your right hand to play the note A. However, most musicians use the right thumb to support the recorder as it is held at a 45-degree angle. We are going to practice our pitches in quarter note and quarter rest patterns. Remember, the quarter note gets one full beat of sound, and we count the quarter note in whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The quarter rest gets one full beat of silence, and we still count the beats of silence in whole numbers. Instead of counting aloud, you will think the beat and count the rest. Here are just a few playing tips. Use chapstick lips when covering the mouthpiece. Use baby spoon breaths when playing. Use hamburger hands with a slight curve to cover the holes. Separate the notes by tonguing do, and then hold the recorder at a 45-degree angle downward. And last but not least, be patient with yourself. Pause the video to read the rhythm first. When you're ready, press play to practice your 8-measure pattern. Congratulations, you did it. Don't forget to keep practicing. Bloom to the beat. Remember, memorize note values and finger positions for pitch. Understand by identifying time signatures, note types, and pitches on the staff. You can apply by using proper breath control, finger positions, and tongue position as rhythmic patterns change per measure. Analyze by questioning whether what you've applied is correct. Evaluate by selecting trouble areas and practice at a slower pace, then build up speed. And you can also create by developing rhythmic and melodic patterns of your own.